What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Techbud Solutions. So very quickly, I'm just going to do some follow-ups with the different stocks that I was trading. Let me turn on my level 2. My name is Ricky, and I'm using the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. Let me keep this very simple for you guys. You guys is supposed to be holding above $10. If you guys can see, it's common trend. It holds above $10. It has gone below 10 to 9.50, but if it drops below $10, I'm not going to be one that wants to hold. I'm in at an average of 10.25. I swing traded this one, so we're still doing pretty good with that. Market literally just opened about a couple seconds ago. We could see that it's still kind of consolidating, seeing a downward trend. Holding below the middle VWAP, if you guys can see that. I'm going to go down the list and actually see what it is that we come up with. So TRXC still looks like it's trending down. There you go. UES still trending down. TBA still trending down. AKS. We got NKE. This is one of our callouts that we had as of yesterday. I'm not too sure if you guys saw the video that I talked about with, one of the top stocks or my top 5 stocks that I think that are oversold. This is Nike, multi-million, if not billion-dollar company. Saw a little bit of a pullback, so still shows a lot of margin for potential profit. So that might be a good entry. ACRX. Still way oversold, not indicating any signs of an uptrend. XXII right now, we did get a little bit of a push during pre-market hours, but I actually don't think it is trending up anymore. Had a support at $2.60, and there it goes with a pullback. Should be holding at around 265, but it really needs to start showing signs of an uptrend if it wants to continue this solid uptrend that it was seeing throughout the past couple of years. So it's having a pretty solid sell-off. It's supposed to now be holding and hopefully now seeing an uptrend, but not really doing that. So now we have CX actually dropping below $8, which is not a good sign. We were actually there we go. Yeah, it's having a little sell-off, but or a little correction. So I was actually waiting for $8.20 for this stock to form. The reason why is because if it can break above 8.20, we'd be breaking above the EMA, and then we'd have a more of a little cup trend. So still waiting up on that. I have my alert set, so I'm all good there. NAK, not up anything right now. I'll switch. The thing is still at $18 WPT. Okay, that thing's up about 1.5%. Okay, not moving much. If I'm not mistaken, it's kind of at a resistance. Yeah, we need to see a solid break above 360, 370, and then overall highs at 410 or 409, but pretty much resistance at $4. So this one we called it out with about almost a 10% potential for profit from when we called it out as of yesterday, or one of our traders called it out as of yesterday. So keep this pretty simple. Diaz is still climbing. It should be hitting a wall. Yeah, it should be hitting a resistance at around $27, just like it did the previous day. And then we should start seeing a downtrend from there and kind of a support around $24. Do you guys see that? This is a place where it usually bounces at. Very simple. Boom, boom, boom. What does it usually peak out at? That's $27. And then you guys can see right here. Okay. WTI, wow, way of a pullback. Okay, it's down 32%. Oh no, never mind. It pulled back, but then it popped right back up. Let's see. There's actually one that I really wanted to follow up with. Let's see, EFX. Okay, EFX still starting to see that uptrend again. That's good. GNC still holding above $8, so that's good. We're waiting for the break above 8.20 on this one. But it was FNF, one of the top stocks, if I'm not mistaken, that I had coming out for. Yep, there we go. Wow, perfect. Okay. Let me break this down for you real quick. This is going to be one of the top swing trading stocks that I keep my eyes on. This is Fidelity. This is actually a broker that I use. And it had this huge drop a couple days ago. And we came about it, or came across this stock. I came across this stock yesterday through one of our members, breaking it down and showing it to me. But $46 is the support. has a huge drop all the way down to about $34, builds the support there, and it starts to indicate an uptrend. Finally broke above EMA and getting a little bit closer. We could see that it had somewhat of a resistance at $35. So now what I'm waiting for is actually for a solid uptrend, and maybe waiting for it to break 35, 35.50. So all I'm going to do here is set my alert. Appreciate it. So I had someone ask me if I'm feeling any better, but yeah, definitely feeling better. Got some rest last night, so that's good. But I'm super pumped. I'm really pumped for the swing trades that I have planned, and I think FNF is probably going to be one of the first ones that I go pretty heavy on. I plan to go in with about $8,000 to $12,000, just because of all the margin that it has to make up. So if I can cover, about 10% plus of that, it definitely offers a lot more than 10% potential. If you guys can see, it almost offers 30% potential. So I don't think there's any question that it could cover at least 10% or recover, right? Multi-million, billion-dollar company. So it just has to perform the way that we expect it to. So let's see what a couple of our traders have to say, and go from there. OPTT. Wow, nice. I like it. Yeah, we OPTT. No, actually, this wasn't it, but peaked out is now coming back to where it was previously trading at before all its hype. Um, and there's no question that it most likely will start to flatline just like it previously did. When it was trading around 120 to 130. That's what's so important with stocks that are so overpriced, to be careful and to not bag hold them, because look, this thing was up, let's say 50% yesterday, and now it's all the way back down on where it was trading at. That's 50% loss for those that held it overnight and bought at the very top, which is very unfortunate. I don't want to, incur 50% loss and stuff like that. So unfortunately, let's see. There we go. JNUG on its way back up. All right, so JNUG had a little bit of a pullback. Looks like it's building a support at $18. And I'm kind of tired of swing trading this one, and I'm gonna try to get out of it today. So if I can get anything above 18.20, I'll be at a net profit of 40 cents per share. Obviously, this is a little bit more of a pricier stock, so I'm not going to be up very much. But I called it out yesterday when I got in at my average of 17.80 with a couple other traders. So as long as it continues to hold above 18, that's a good indicator. If it starts breaking a resistance of 18.20, that could also be a good indicator. Well, look, it just had a pullback. Looks like it had a previous pullback as well. So maybe we can at least just get it to hold and maintain above $18. That would be pretty good. Let me do a quick little scan if that's all right with you guys. So this is for the momentum stocks. RGSC. I heard that one being called out. These are going to be more for day trade, so let's see how this thing is going on. Okay, so it looks like it had a little bit of a pullback around 230. It's still holding below EMA in our group, or when I was trading with the people from the lesson library. I did a little bit of a mistake of actually buying into a company on a pullback when it was still trading below EMA, and right as it approached the EMA line, boom, it acted as a resistance, and it started still to continue trending down. So area of opportunity, I'm going to wait for the break above 250, just so I know that it's actually trending up and actually broken above the EMA. So it definitely still offers a lot of margin for potential. I just have to be patient and make sure that it breaks above. ADHD. There we go. This is a pretty solid runner. And it just had a little bit of a pullback right now. It's at 205, 208, 210. Wow. All right. Let's go ahead and see what we can do. And let me look at it a little bit further back. It's definitely all hype. Okay. I'm gonna set my alert if it makes tides of day. All right, guys. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and continue my breakdown with the group. So if you guys have any questions of how I found these trending stocks or how I found those stocks that have those huge gaps of potential profit, like Fidelity with the huge like cup and handle trend that it's about to form, feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'd love to be a part of your success. Again, the link in the description. Yeah, AMD went last or below 1375. So we'd love to have you as a part of the group. So we have Techbud Solutions, a little bit over 50,000 members within our Facebook group. Whoa, a little bit over, a little bit less than 50,000 on the Facebook group. All together with the private group chat and stuff like that, we have a little bit over 50,000. So I can't thank you guys enough for everything it is that you guys do. Very simple breakdown today. So again, just continue working hard, continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives you in your success. And we will continue this breakdown in the Techbud Solutions. So you guys can click on the main group chat link once you guys get accepted into the group. And then this will guide you on over to the main, there we go. This will guide you on over to the conversations that everyone is having in the actual group chat itself. So this is where you can network with everyone. The voice chats are right over here. And then for the people part of Learn, Plan, and Profit, then you can guide your way over to that private group chat as well. Thank you guys again. Looks like a couple people were already trading ADHD and all right. Like always, guys, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.